Tesla has always been coming up with many surprises, and they have already done so much to shock us all. They are definitely the #1 car manufacturing company, and they are always bringing latest trends in the market. Tesla has left its competitors behind, as it is always coming up with new upgrades, which keeps it one step ahead than other car manufacturers. But what element of surprise is Tesla onto now? Well, it's the Model 3 upgrade, and soon we are going to see the Tesla Model 3 faster than Flash. Now that's something very much interesting to talk about. But how is that possible? How is the Model 3 going to be a game changer? Let's find out all the details. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how the Tesla Model 3 upgrade is going to be a game changer. So make sure you watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the latest Tesla Model 3 news. None more so than the Tesla Model 3, quite possibly the most eagerly anticipated car of the 21st century. It's been wowing car enthusiasts in the US for well over a year, where it sold over 130,000 units in 2018, making it the 11th biggest selling car there last year. And now, finally, Model 3 is here. The first left-hand drive ones arrived on our shores in June, and many are now in the hands of new happy Tesla owners in the UK. For Tesla, Model 3 represents an important milestone in its master plan to rapidly accelerate the world's transition to sustainable transport. Model 3 is a culmination of all the things they have achieved so far. It tops the charts in class for range, safety, performance, and usability. Range is the main thing people consider when they first look at buying an electric vehicle. The premium performance Model 3 boasts 300+ miles of range, and the standard model is more around 230 on a single charge. But if you charge your car every night, you will always leave with a full tank. If you do want to venture further afield, you'd have the extensive Tesla Supercharger network to back you up. So next time you're in a motorway service station, check out how many Tesla Superchargers you see. It's also Europe-wide and capable charge at rates of well over 200 miles an hour. The upcoming upgrade to the Tesla Model 3 is something everyone will get surprised by. Elon Musk also revealed some of the most amazing details about the uniqueness of the vehicle. Tesla will likely offer the full self-driving package in the new affordable Tesla Model 3, bringing autonomous features to a wide audience. It has been noticed that automakers are designing autonomous driving concept cars with retracting pedals and steering, but this time Tesla is thinking ahead and considering to equip no pedals and steering in the production of its new Model 3. Now that's something new. People really like and want Tesla cars, even if the prices are higher and if gasoline prices are low. To be a game changer though, the Model 3 can't just be another lower-priced electric vehicle. It has to be innovative, and it is absolutely that. It will be using a new battery format, autonomous driving hardware, and it'll likely be using Tesla's new optimized powertrain with 1 million miles capability plus faster acceleration. With those improved batteries and powertrain, it should be one of the most efficient electric vehicles on the road. There's also the Supercharger network, which really opens up the options for long-distance driving, more than any other manufacturer. The capabilities will set a new benchmark for affordable electric vehicles. Tesla has been doing holiday software updates for Model 3 software for a while now, and the word on the street is that the 2022 edition is already going out to customers. So, what's in the update? There are a few quality-of-life improvements and some of Tesla's usual gimmicky nonsense, as you might expect. We'll start with the good stuff first. Tesla's in-car UI getting its customizable app launcher. This allows you to drag and drop your favorite applications to the bottom of the UI for easy access. Next is a simplification of the most used controls on the screen. This gives you a more prominent set of icons for stuff like wipers, navigation, and media, so you don't have to tap around quite so much while driving. Our favorite change is the automatic blind spot camera. This shows a camera feed of your blind spot when you activate a turn signal. This feature has been around on higher-end Kias, Hyundais, and Genesis models for a while now, but it's super helpful. Tesla will also now allow you to easily reorder your waypoints in navigation or add more waypoints along with the journey, and it will automatically calculate arrival times. Another potentially valuable feature is a preconditioning mode for the cabin, so you can cool down or warm your Tesla cabin up before you get in it, as well as automatically regulating seat heaters that change temperature based on your cabin temp settings. Lastly, there's a new dark mode for the vehicle UI, which is kinda cool and exactly a game changer. Tesla engineers' attention to detail in developing the Model 3 is a thing of renown. They worked with a Motor Trend journalist and racing driver Randy Pobst two-time winner of the 24-hour Daytona, to craft new algorithms to allow the Model 3 performance to compete on track days with many of its competitors, as well as cars above its class, on lap times, with some of the more incredible cars taking those honors. Not that it needed to. It can out-accelerate the 1999 McLaren F1, which if sold today would go for around £1.2 million. A car Elon Musk owned, loved, and totaled after driving too fast over a hill. A car Musk would hold as a benchmark for all Teslas in terms of acceleration. But what truly makes Model 3 a game-changer is its upgrade of bi-directional charging. Yes, bi-directional charging is now possible. Several automakers like Honda and Nissan have been openly exploring the bi-directional charging technology, but Tesla, who is arguably the leader in electric vehicles, has been reticent about deploying bi-directional charging in the past. Marco Gazlia, an electrical engineer who participated in the Model 3 teardown for a Tesla competitor, reverse engineered the electric car's charger and found it to be ready for bi-directional charging. He told Electrek, "What I learned on reverse engineering the Model 3 charger was that the design is fully bi-directional. This means power can be converted from AC to DC the same way as the previous example, but also power can flow in reverse direction, coming from the battery and ending up at the AC side. This is known as DC to AC inverter, and when this technology is present in a vehicle, it is known as V2G or vehicle to grid." The engineer added about the design of Tesla's onboard charger. To complement this, the bi-directional design is replicated 3 times across the same PCB on the Model 3 charger. Another example of redundant design that assures a working process even if one of the circuits fails. Additionally, it is a 3-phase design, so it can be used worldwide. Now that we know that Tesla already has hundreds of thousands of Model Y vehicles bi-directional ready on the road, we think this new product could be released sooner than people think. One of the most interesting features of Tesla's implementation of bi-directional charging is that they don't require an inverter outside the vehicle, like the wallbox Quasar used on the Nissan Leaf. It would work with Tesla's own wall connector or potentially with any home charging station. The update should be rolling out to your Tesla anytime now, and we're curious what you think of the new and tweaked features. And that's all for today. Do you think the Model 3 is really a game changer, and why? Which features of the Model 3 did you like the most? Let us know in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.